Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video and don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, my name is Tony Halachulis. I'm with the Midwest Street Rod Association of Illinois, and we're here at the Spring Fling Car Show in Kendall County in Yorkville, Illinois. This is my 1948 Ford Business Coupe. I purchased the car about 4 years ago from a friend of mine. He sold my other car and I was in desperate need of a hot rod, so I bought this one. It's a business coupe. Originally did not have a back seat in it because businessmen bought these cars. It's also known as a short door coupe because it uses the front door of a 4-door sedan, where a long door coupe uses a 2-door sedan door. It's got a 350 Chevy motor in it, 700 R4 transmission, Diamondback wide white wall radials, wheel Vintiques wheels. It's a great road car. I bought it this way, yes.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm doing some upgrades myself, you know. I had built my own car before, but I sold that after owning it for 45 years. And I just needed another car, and so this one came up. A friend of mine owned it.
And it's stunning. I mean, many things are, but the paint is just incredible.
Believe it or not, this paint job was done, the red paint job was done in 1999, and the flames were done in 2004. And it's just been well maintained. That's why I said I knew the car, knew the guy who owned the car, so I bought it from him. And it's just been a great car. It's got air conditioning, it's got cruise control.
There you go.
Take it on long road trips to Frog Follies in Evansville, Indiana, Kalamazoo, Michigan, Louisville, Kentucky.
Pick up a couple bottles of milk. Right?
Oh yeah, yep.
That is so nice. That is so nice. Now, how did you decide this versus anything else?
Well, I had owned a 46 Chevy for 45 years, and it was a 4-door sedan. I just wanted something different. And after we sold the Chevy, my wife and I were just looking at cars for sale online. And I saw the Ford. I said, I want something different from the Chevy. I want a Ford. And I originally wanted a Ford sedan, but then my friend had this for sale. I said, let's go look at that car. We drove it. Within the first 5 minutes, I said, this is the car we're going to buy. So we struck a deal and brought it home.
And then what kind of wax do you use?
I think I used McGuire's on it. Yes. The engine is I believe it's a 1996 Chevy crate motor that was put in there. It's 350 cubic inches, I think 330 horsepower. Vortex heads, Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. I'm debating whether or not to put a fuel injection on it, but it runs so good now I don't want to mess with it.
Right.
It's got the air conditioning, as you can see, and power brakes, disc brakes up front.
Do you have any special exhausts? Is it quiet? Is it loud?
It's pretty loud. It's got Magnaflow mufflers on it. It's got 79 Chevy Camaro front suspension, front subframe under it. 79 Camaro 10-bolt rear end.
Nice. And then, you know what? Did you want to talk about your car show that you put on?
Yeah. Like I said, we're here at Kendall County Fairgrounds, Yorkville, Illinois. My own club, Midwest Street Rod Association, is having their Gears and Ears 44 car show on June 26th here at the Kendall County Fairgrounds. You can go to gearsandears.com to download a registration form. You can pre-register. Pre-register's get a free t-shirt, free dash plaque, some other goodies. All participants get free roasted corn on the cob and popping water all day long while supplies last. All right, and thanks for watching.